Right, another thing that I highly recommend is cleaning the filter over here. You guys should be cleaning your filter every time you use the gun and clean it up. And basically you just loosen it up, and after you remove this, it's going to show you the filter that's inside the gun. You see? That's all the stuff that gets stuck inside the gun. This is my third job with this filter. I actually have a fresh one over here, but I'm cheap, so I think I can still clean this one out. And basically, I'm just gonna take it in my bucket of water and then see how much of the stuff I can get out. And if it's too caked on there, like say your buddy borrowed your spray gun and he totally didn't clean, he or she didn't clean the filter, then it would probably be caked on there and it's going to affect the spray of your gun. It's fairly easy to clean. Basically, you just rub it like that and then it comes off. I don't need to change it yet, but I do have a lot of these filters. But you know, I'm not just gonna waste it, because just, you know. So basically now the filter is clean, and I'm gonna put it back in the gun handle, and you just tighten it up, and then it'll be ready for the next use. Channel lock, hold it in place, and then just tighten it, and that should be good. And that's how you clean the filter inside the gun of the Graco sprayer. Thanks for watching.